What if I told you, even after falling countless times, skiing can still be an thrilling experience? Stick around to find out how I turned my first ski trip into an unforgettable experience. Hi, I'm Mohammed Shabir. Me and my daughter, along with four others, traveled to Gulmarg, Kashmir this year, and we went for our first ski trip for 6 days. And it was an experience of a lifetime. And I want to share the same with you guys. So, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So, for easy understanding, I have divided the video into four parts: advantages of skiing, preparation for skiing, places to visit in India for skiing, and last but not the least, my own skiing experience. So, the advantages of skiing: skiing is an awesome experience, especially going outdoors. It gives you a full body workout, it engages your core, legs, and even your arms. It's also a good cardio workout because you're constantly moving up and down the slope. Skiing is being in nature and it's a very good outdoor adventure sport during winter months. Being in nature means it helps you reduce stress from the day-to-day life, and it helps when you rushing down the mountain. It clears your mind and it gives a clarity that you won't get in your day to day life. Skiing is also a social activity, whether you're going with your friends or family or making new friends on the slope while enjoying the skiing. And last one, it's fun and excitement. Playing with the snow, going up and down the slope. It's a lot of fun. And also, it's learning a new skill. And over time, you're improving, which is so rewarding. Now, coming on to our second part of the video, preparation for skiing. Skiing is an awesome experience, but the cold weather can be definitely a big challenge. Here's how to make sure to stay warm in the cold weather and be comfortable while skiing. So, I've divided this part into 6 sections. First one is layering. Layers are your best friend for staying warm in the cold weather. The idea is to create a system where you trap the heat between layers. So here's how your layers should look like. The base layer. This is the first layer you should put onto your skin, and it needs to snug your body. Materials like merino wool or synthetic fabric like nylon or polyester work really well. So it helps you to wick away the sweat and keeping you dry. Also, avoid cotton at all times because it retains moisture and it keeps you cold. The mid layer can be a fleece or a down jacket or a jumper. The outer layer needs to be a waterproof or windproof ski jacket and ski pants. So it can help you to stay warm even in the snow and the wind. The next one is choose the right ski socks. Ski socks should be made of merino wool or wool blend, and make sure that the ski socks are long enough to cover till up to your knees, so it protects your ankle and calf from the cold weather. The third one is sun protection. In the cold winter, we may forget that the UV rays are really strong in higher altitudes during winter. Use high SPF sunscreen to protect your face, neck. Also use UV protection glasses so that it protects your eyes. And next we move on to our heads, hands and feet. So for the hands, you can go in for gloves or mitten which are waterproof and also breathable. For your headwear, you can go in for a head cap or balaclava or neck gaiter which covers your face and helps you from the cold wind. And for your feet, you're going to use the ski boots. Make sure that you get the right size of your ski boots and it's not too tight because it can restrict the blood flow. And then when you're going for skiing, you have to make sure that you hydrate well because in the cold you can forget about drinking water. Hydrating is very important to maintain functioning of your body and regulate your body temperature. And then we come on to the before we start skiing, we need to warm up our body so that there's no muscle stiffness or muscle injuries due to the cold weather. You can do a gentle stretches, warm up stretches, or jog in the same place to get your body moving. Now, places to visit for skiing in India. Skiing is not as famous in India as in Alps or Colorado, but there are few wonderful spots. These spots have very less crowded on the slopes and have beautiful landscapes. Skiing is also very affordable in India compared to the rest of the world. So here are the top 5 places to visit for skiing in India. The first one is Gulmarg in Kashmir. The second one is Auli in Uttarakhand. Then comes Manali, Kufri, Narkanda in Himachal Pradesh. So before moving on to my own experience, I want to share a small background story. Me and my family visited Gulmarg, Kashmir last year, and it was just a tourist trip. So I tried skiing and I didn't like it. And I told myself that I'm never going to try skiing again. But my younger brother, he is very regular to skiing in Gulmarg for the past 4 5 years. He encouraged me and he motivated and he said that you come with me and I'll hook you on to good tutor and you will be up and running in skiing in no time. So I took that as an challenge and went ahead. So yeah, my experience in skiing, me and my 6 year old daughter traveled together, and I was so skeptical about how my daughter is going to cope with the cold weather because it was around -6 to -8 degrees, and on the slopes it's going to be even more colder. So the first day of skiing, we needed to get used to our ski equipments like the stick poles, the ski boots were so heavy and I fell countless times on the slopes. We also had our private tutor along with us. So the first day he told us that, when we come down the slope, we need to carry our own poles and the ski and go back up because we cannot use the lift since we didn't have a good skiing balance in the first day. So it was very exhausting. And at the end of the day, thoughts that were coming into my mind were like, do I need to continue with this? How am I going to cope up with so much of, exhaustion? And my daughter is also with me. So I just thought that, let me go for the second day and see how it is. The second day, we started using the lift and it made our life so much easier. And from then on, it was just fun and excitement and learn a lot of tips and tricks of, snowing. Like, for example, snow plow, and that is, I'm making a pizza or making a pizza to stop the ski and making a french fries to go in a faster speed. Those were the few fun things that I learned, and till the end of the 6th day we had such a good time with all our friends, and we didn't even want to leave the place on the final day, but it was really tough to go back to our home city. Well, with this we come to an end to this video. Thanks for watching along. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more quality content. Thank you.